When photographers go on a walk, they will definitely do what they're best at, taking pictures. As they socialize with their fellows during a local Scott Kelby Photowalk, they vow to use their photography skills as a fun way to promote the province of Pangasinan.
Ang aim ng Photowalk na to, bali, ginagather niya lahat ng photographers. So, ginagather niya, parang iniengganyo ka pang mas lalong mag-enhance sa photography skills mo. Then, yun, enjoyment. Para sa sarili mo na rin siguro. And maka-gain ka ng friends.
Scott Kelby, president of the National Association of Photoshop Professionals, or NAPP, started the worldwide Photowalk 6 years ago. Photowalk is a social photography event that generates thousands of participants from the world over. Photographers later on submit their entry photos taken during the event to win the competition. Last year, Klein and his cousin Ana Mendoza organized a photo walk in Binmalay, Pangasinan. Klein won as a finalist in the competition. A photographer from France, Lars Anselm, received the top prize. There were over 900 photo walks across the globe, garnering more than 32,000 participants. This year, on October 5th, they have conducted the photo walk at the Capital Plaza in Lingayen.
All right, let's go! Now, if you're wondering what a photo walk is, it's actually a social event. It's a gathering of photographers in your area. You usually meet in like a downtown area or a business area, zoo, a lake, anywhere, and you all walk around for about 2 hours taking pictures. At the end of the walk, you usually meet at a local restaurant or a bar or a tavern just to hang out, make new friends, maybe share some photos, and kind of look back on the whole experience.
Anyone with a passion for photography can join the event for free. Even without a DSLR, you can have fun and enjoy the day with photographers. Just bring your digital camera or an 8 or higher megapixel camera phone. Photo walkers in Pangasinan fired their creative shots that tell stories around the Capitol compound in the beach area, where they also had fun as they reminisced last year's event and conversed with one another for some catching up. The event, however, failed to generate the maximum number of participants, which is 50. Sponsored by Canon, the Scott Kelby Worldwide Photo Walk is giving away a brand new Canon 70D DSLR, a printer, a tablet, and other exciting prizes.
Sana sali kayo sa leg namin or kahit sa Pangasinan Photographers Club pag sila nagpupuri ng leg nila para supportan natin yung province natin dito sa Pangasinan na ilagay natin lagi sa top yung Pangasinan.
With their camera on hand and their passion for photography at heart, these photographers have once again gathered up for a special day of taking pictures. For some, this is just a hobby that requires big budget. But for these enthusiasts, photography is a lifetime profession that keeps them smiling and their will fueled up as they record life's moments one shot at a time. EJ Dangla, Pangasinan Watch.